All right, welcome back. So today I want to talk about 4 things that will help you grow your business. There are 4 basic understandings that you need to know of. Okay, so when you are first beginning to build your business, the first thing you need to know is that the more you know and understand people, then the more successful you'll be. All right, so the first thing we need to do in building a business is exposure. Right? If you were starting a restaurant and you would spend all your budget money in the actual restaurant startup, everything that goes into the building and whatever, and so you had no advertising budget left, then you would do that. Then you would expose your business by talking to people, talking to friends and family, asking them to come out and see your business. And you would do whatever you could to expose your business because that's what you need to grow. All right, so that's no different than what we do. You need to expose, and the more people we talk to about our business and expose our business to, then the more people will be interested. If I talk to 10 people about my restaurant opening, how many people are going to come? A few, not all 10. All right, so you have to talk to way more people than what you'd ever expect to actually recruit. All right, so expose, expose, expose. You have to expose your business and let other people know about it. All right, then you need to build that relationship. Now, many times it's going to, it can be done at the same time. If you've just met someone and you're exposing your business to them, but you need to build that relationship with them. Otherwise, you're going to come across as a very pushy salesperson, and we don't want that, right? So build a relationship with them. Talk to them. Find out, what is their family like life? The form call that I posted last week. Go back and listen to that if you haven't yet. All right, use that and form that relationship. All right. The third thing is, after you have exposed your business and you've built that relationship, then you're going to present your product, your service, your idea, yourself, whatever it is. In our business, you could say we're presenting the product and the business, all right? And sometimes, especially if people already know about our business, know about the company, then we really are presenting ourselves as the person why they would want to, enroll with us. And then number 4 is the close. This is the part where they'll do okay on the others, but then they're afraid to close. All right, so this is where you need to work on it. Okay, we get past fear by doing it over and over and over and over and over again. All right, so, but you need to make the close about the person and their needs. All right, so, and you're doing this because you've been listening and you've heard their relationship, you've heard about them, you've established that relationship, and so then as you close, you can make it about their needs and why this product, this business, your team fits with their needs and why that is important to them. All right, so if you haven't gone back and listened to the forum call, go do that, and then leave me your thoughts below.